Today we are going to discuss what an abstract blitz is, why one might conduct an abstract blitz, and how one would go about conducting an abstract blitz. So what is an abstract blitz? Simply put, abstract blitz is one of many methods that can be employed during research to collect sources relevant to that particular research in one place. It can be used not only for political science, but can also for other social sciences such as sociology, economics, anthropology, etc. It can also be used for natural sciences such as physics, chemistry, biology. The natural question that follows is then, what is abstract blitz? Abstract blitz allows us to consolidate all sources relevant to our research topic in one place with all major points listed in an easily readable manner, usually in a table or a chart, and one can do and collect sources in this manner very quickly, and you can have a very large amount of sources on one topic. And once you have collected all your sources, abstract blitz tables allows us to easily determine commonalities and differences among sources. The abstract blitz process also allows us to refine our research questions as we either go through the abstract blitz process, or after we collect all the information and have analyzed what we have collected during the abstract blitz. Finally, abstract blitz can serve as a collection of sources for future projects that are on the same topic areas. So, how do we do an abstract blitz? Actually, there is no right or wrong way to do an abstract blitz. Also, the abstract blitz tables and charts, there is no right or wrong way to construct one. Tables and charts for abstract blitzes can be organized differently depending on your needs, your project, and your personal preferences. Over the next few slides and next few minutes, I will explain to you how these tables are constructed and what they look like. Also, we'll go through some examples and show you how we fill in these tables once they are constructed. Here are some examples of the abstract blitz tables and charts that you can use when you conduct your own abstract blitz. The first three tables show the general categories that you might want to have on your tables. The first one on the top is the most basic table that lists the author of the source with the year of publication as well as the title of the work, where it was published, and the abstract of the work. In the case of journal articles, most have author-supplied abstracts, which you can use here. Some, of course, do not. Also, books and book chapters do not have their own abstracts, therefore you must create one yourself. Some people prefer to write their own abstracts anyway, whether or not there is an author-supplied abstract. When you fill out the abstract portion of this table, it can be in complete sentences, or it could be in bullet forms, whichever is more convenient for you. Remember, abstract blitz is ordinarily not created for the purpose of showing it to other people, but it is designed to be a resource for you, the researcher. So whichever way makes more sense to you is what you should do. Next, you have a set of DV, dependent variable, and IV, independent variable, summary charts. These two charts come in as a pair, and the real difference between these two charts and the previous tables is that these two charts show information in more detail, and the dependent variable and independent variable are denoted in two separate charts. An example of these two charts being more detailed, let's look at the IV summary chart, which is the bottom chart on the page. It shows that authors might have said that democracy matters in a positive way in determining the outcome of the DV that you are examining, vice those who said it does not matter, as well as those who said it matters in a negative way. As you can see, you can design the abstract blitz tables and charts to fit your needs and taste as long as they function as you want them to function. Now let's move on to the demonstration portion of this discussion, and let me show you how you might conduct an abstract blitz. For the first example we are going to examine, the research is on the effects of directed energy weapons, or DEW, and other future high technology weapons may have on the society. When you conduct abstract blitzes, there are numerous ways to get sources for your project. One is Google Scholar, and the other primary one is the University Library site. I personally like to start my search on Google Scholar because it does provide a wide variety of sources in one place. Once I have picked out what I wanted to look at, then I will go back to the library site to get the full text most often.